Process to change background on Google Meet is quite easy and simple, and it is same whether you are on PC or Mac or Windows 10 or whatever. So you need to simply open up the meeting that you have joined. Like I would create a simple meeting for now. I would go to Google Meet, and here we go. So here you are in the meeting and you want to change your background. Like here we are. What you can do is, here you can see 3 dots. So it says more option and it says change background. So you can see change background here. Click on this one. Now to turn off the backgrounds, you can click on this. Now I am back to normal. And if you want to select any background, you can select it like this one, or whatever you want to. You can also blur your background. So you can, if you blur your background, whatever the background you have selected will be blurred. You can also add photos from your computer. Like I have selected this one. Now you can see it has been added here. So hope by doing so you will be able to change background on Google Meets. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.